Dustin. I can still vividly remember the first time we ever met in Steve's house. It was my first day in PBB, wearing Esmir's precious school uniform, and you were at the back being one of the last housemates to shake hands with me. Honestly, you really didn't make much of an impression to me that night. All I remember telling myself was, siya pala yung chinitong may crush kay Ate Ivana. As moments passed by, your presence only came in passing through. I didn't notice you much only because you were so serious, sungit, and quiet all the time. In short, hindi nagtutugma yung pagka-OA ko sa pagka-nonchalant ko. Until one day, you suddenly appeared in my dream. Naka-time shock pa. Looking back, naisip ko na sobrang random naman nun. I mean, we barely even held eye contact yet alone a proper conversation. Approximately 100 days later, as I write this letter, I have come to a revelation that my dream was fate's way of telling me that I was meant to fulfill my dreams and stay on this journey with you. Tinadhana akong tapusin ang laban na ito, sabi ko. Naalala ko ba yung pinakaunang beses na namangha ako sa'yo? This is when you were week 3 Sweetie Task Leader, aka Tokot Baboy era. And wag naman sana lalaki yung ulo mo, but you being able to command the room with your leadership skills was what really kept me in awe. Magaling na nga magluto, natural leader pa. As moments passed, another circumstance which made me understand as to why you were chosen by Kuya was when you were left in the secret room alone. You were last to leave and yet pinili mo pa rin sabihin na that's okay because you would have wanted to put everyone else before you. That certain situation made me realize that your selfishness, generosity, is often overlooked in this house. When in fact, ikaw ang isa sa pinakamapagbigay na tao na kilala ko. I hope you never change because thus, this is what really sets you apart from others. Dustin, thank you for making me stronger. Dahil sa iyo, iniwala ako sa sarili ko at sa kakayanan kong labanan ang mga pagsubok na kailanman hindi ko akalain malalagpasan ko. From day one, you have been consistent in showing me your unending support and I would trade anything for the world for you to see you through my eyes. I always tell you that I don't miss home as much when I'm around you kasi literal na prinsesa ako sa'yo. Alagang-alaga at iniintindi mo, alagang-alaga at iniintindi sa bawat segundo ng bawat oras. Okay, tama na, cheesy na. I want you to know that I am always proud of you. Kahit na magbago ito ng mundo, kahit na talikuran ka nilang lahat, o kahit na makailang away pa tayo, hindi ako magsasawang piliin ka araw-araw. As your duo, as your duo. No matter what, always and forever. Love ya.